Task 4, that is explanatory data analysis regarding terrorism. We have to perform explanatory data analysis on dataset of global terrorism. As a security defense analyst, that is our position right now, on which we have to calculate the data and analyze. Try to find out hot zones of terrorism, what all security issues and insights can derive by EDA. We can use any type of language, that is Python, R, W or else. So to begin with, first of all we will include certain libraries, that is pandas, numpy and matplotlib.pyplot and seaborn. Using SNS, that is seaborn, we are allotting the color plate from the tab 10. Now we are importing the data named global error terrorism db underscore 0178 test.cv, displaying the top 5 rows of the data or CSV file, we can say, using .head extension. Using .shape, we can include number of rows and number of columns of a particular data. Here we are displaying number of column details within the data. Describing the data and what type of data it is present in the whole CSV file, you can have a look to it. The data info provides the brief number of columns, range index and data types within the data. Now the most important thing is to look after the correlation of the data, which we can produce by the heat map, and look carefully to the data. We can see that it is related to correlated by 1 at every diagonal point of it. You can clearly observe using this map too. And then we will begin our observation. Now first of all we look after the observations and number of events in the years. Looking to the graph, we can conclude that in the year 2014 it has been the maximum rate of the event, continuing by 2015, 2016, 2017 and so on in the many years from 1970 to 2017. Now incidents extended more than 24 hours or not. So looking at the graph, we can conclude that most probably it has not extended more than 24 hours, but in rare cases we can find that they have been. Continuing the inclusion criteria of the attack, that is 1, and we can say that the inclusion criteria is at its max point for the attack. Looking to the next graph, that is related to number of attacks which were a part of multiple incidents. So it is very rare that there are number of attacks which are part of multiple events. Now finding out the terrorism attack according to the country, and you can observe that United States have the maximum terrorism rate. Even we cannot observe in many of the countries, smaller countries. Now looking after the different countries whole over the world, we can see that terrorism has been at its peak in various countries. Okay, according to the region of the North America, Central America, South America, East America and so on, we can predict that the region number 10, that is according to the data, Middle East and North Africa has the highest crime rate reported, followed by the region number 6, that is South Asia. Now looking at the attacks type, we can conclude that attack type number 3, that is bombing and explosion, is at its highest peak And we can really observe in the today's life that there are many bomb attacks taking place. Okay. So success of the incidents, that is how at how much rate these incidents are been successful, and it shows according to the graph that there is a maximum success rate. So I would conclude that the success rate of the incident is at its highest peak. Mostly we can find the success in the terrorism attacks. Continuing to the weapons used by the terrorist, we can observe that the weapon number 6 and weapon number 5 are mostly used, that is explosives and firearms. Though weapon number 6 is far away from weapon number 5. Also looking at the target types of a terrorist, that target type number 14 is the highest, followed by 4, 3, 2 and 1. Looking at this data, we can say that the number of attacks has maximum perpetrated in the Bangladesh. Continuing the claims of responsibility to be taken or not or unknown. The claims are taken mostly more than 80,000. The responsibilities of the attackers was not claimed. Here your country text is equals to India, which has been represented, and the number of series of events taken place in 2000, the year 2000 series, and as seen earlier 2014 has highest number of events, which are even more than 16,000. The observations. Now let us come to the hostage planning which has been performed, and hostage planning has its maximum peak. A kid is made hostage, and we can also look to the graph where the hostage rescuation team has worked successfully, and the attempt to rescue of the team was least, but hostages were released by pirates, that is around 3000 to 500 or in between them. Hostages were successfully rescued, and that is only 500 count, which is very least. But due to unknown reasons, the number of hostages were rescued, and that is the maximum reason. Thank you.